Hi! In front of me is Realme 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable high performance mode on this device. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Now you need to select battery over here and scroll down. Then choose more battery settings and go into performance mode. So sorry, misclick. Over here, select high performance mode by tapping on it and choose turn on in the pop-up. As you can see, high performance mode is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on any other mode, like smart one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!